Recording.
Okay, folks.
How's it?
2021 Aprilia Tuono V4. Here we go, first ride. Got 27 Ks on the clock. You good, mate?
Yeah, I got no, forgot to put the SD card in.
Okay.
It's alright, no better. Off you go.
You can feel the weight.
Yeah.
In comparison to my 890R.
Yeah. I know, I'm riding on yours now, this is so light.
Yeah. How's the better front tyre pressure?
On which bike?
On mine.
Feels good.
Yeah. These feel a little bit low.
Oh, until you get warmed up.
Yeah. I like the quick shifter. It's smooth for me. But it is a very tight gap between the peg and the shift lever.
Yeah. Oh, this feels quite bumpy now, like you got a bit too much air, isn't there?
Yeah. This feels weird.
Yep.
Yeah, it's sort of wallowy. I don't know.
It's in sport mode too.
I know.
Well, this is active suspension, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like, feels like it's changing on me all the time.
That's what it's doing.
I know, but I'm not used to that. I'm used to a static suspension setup.
Yep.
This is strange.
Yep. Oh, maybe you picked the right bike then.
Yeah. For me.
That's what I mean.
Yeah. Bloody smooth though. Smooth, yeah. Very smooth on the throttle.
Yeah.
Steering inputs are pretty sharp.
Yeah. Did you do that? Did you flash that or?
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, okay.
It has an amazing softness when it's at speed.
Okay, now you're pulling away. You're not even trying to.
No, I'm just cruising, and
yeah,
I look down and I go, wow.
Oh no, I'm fucking going. Well, shit. I'm gonna have to go quicker to catch up.
Yeah. Okay, it opens up at 9.
Yeah.
It really opens up at 9.
Changes its tone, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. It's about like, because that was just progressive throttle, just leaving it in 4th rolling on. It's and then I hit 9 and she wanted to go, come on baby, let's go.
Yeah, I'll wait until you're in like 3rd or 2nd and do it.
I don't know if I'm a fan of the suspension.
Well, this is why you're riding it.
That's right. Oh, the quick shifter's, the umbiliper's fine.
Okay.
Oh, reaching the fucking indicators hard with your hand on the clutch though. That was hard work. Mate, this is a fucking weapon. This is an out of control weapon.
What do you think of the sound of it?
Oh, it's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Where are we going next?
Wherever you want to go, man. You're riding.
Okay, I know. We'll just ride on the highway.
Yep.
We'll ride back to Axedale, and then we turn left at Axedale, then go down back where we came from.
Yep. Good idea. Looks good from the back, that thing there.
Car is that a car coming? I can't see.
No. No, nothing. Go.
Right.
Make sure this guy doesn't drop shit over you.
Yeah. I'm going to hang back. I'm going to round him up. There's a blue car. Is there what?
That's it. Go after him. Go.
I never even took it out of third then.
Oh.
Went to 160 in third.
Okay.
This is just cookies and cream ice cream.
Alright.
You can devour it all day long.
I had trouble keeping with you.
Yeah. No, my bike's no good for this. This one's in a league of her own.
Yeah.
Seriously, this bike is in a league. Okay, we've got some fucking high horsepower nakeds, right?
Yeah.
This one is in a league of her own.
Yeah. Looks good on the road, man.
Oh, yeah.
Big fat tyre on the back, red wheels.
Yeah. I do feel a bit of weight on my wrists.
Yeah, because leaning forward, yeah.
Yeah. So I think my bars will be nicer.
That's what I think.
Yeah. It's really weird just then. I'm looking at the dash and I'm going, I'm in third. Why am I in third? Oh no, I'm doing 3,000 revs. Oh, I'm in fifth. Yeah, like... Oh, now that is weird. I went from 5th to 6th and didn't change my speed, and the tacho never really moved. But then, like, that's because the incrementations between 1 and 5 grand are so compressed together.
Yeah.
You can't pick.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's I might roll off for a second because I'm going to be playing with me throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was probably me wrist. It was probably my hand position. Ooh, that was tricky. Okay, because I was covering me front brake, and then I pulled my fingers back to change. And she rolled on. She went for a jump.
Yeah, happened to me too. I was trying to change the mode button.
Yeah.
Rolling on.
Yeah.
It's on the wrong side.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, you are absolutely correct. It shouldn't be on the right side to be fucking playing with buttons while you got hold of a throttle on a powerful bike like this.
That's right.
I reckon those tyres are a bit low at that. Maybe because it's cold.
Yeah.
She just feels a bit heavy to